Unboxing my impulse buy from San Diego Comicon. We were walking down the street and saw that Hasbro had a offsite store that was set up, and there was no line. Being it was my birthday week, my wife said we should go in and take a look around, and this is what she got me. This is the 7th Black Series helmet that has been added to my collection. Soon to be 8, as the Scout Trooper helmet is on order. I was unable to find it at any of the GameStops near me, but it should be here this month. I always liked the Phase 2 design and was 3D printing one of my own a few years ago that I never made any progress on, but when I compared the two, it makes me want to continue on with mine and turn it into something that I can display the two together. Let me know in the comments, do you think my 3D printed one should be turned into a Commander Mayday from episode 12 of season 2 of the Bad Batch? That's the direction I am leaning, but let me know what you think.